Hey beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to compare two completely different makeup looks. One of them is going to be more dramatic, clean-cut, sharp Instagram makeup look. And the second one's going to be natural, everyday, and much softer. Each of these looks have their own advantages and disadvantages, depending on the time of the day, your skills, and the purpose of the makeup. I will point them all out, so please watch till the very end. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and I'll see you very soon. Mwah. So let's go ahead and start it. This side of my face is going to be natural, everyday makeup look, and this one's going to be more dramatic, glam Instagram makeup. And my first step is going to be priming the eyelids. I know a lot of you skip this step on an everyday basis to save you time, effort, and money on a primer. So I will skip that today as well, but on my dramatic side of my face, I will apply eyelid primer Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. Look how perfectly it evens out my eyelid color. For my everyday eye makeup, today I'm going to use only two eyeshadows. First, Jest by MAC has a little shimmer to it, but nothing over the top. And the second one's going to be Frappe by Geek in my crease. This eye makeup is not going to take a lot of time, but it's going to make you look more awake, nice, and taken care of. Now for my dramatic eye makeup look, I'm going to use at least 4 different eyeshadows to create the dimension in my crease. From lighters to darkers, and I'm going to use 4 different eyeshadow brushes, from thickest to thinnest. And I'm going to apply them from the brow down. The lightest is going to go all over, all the way up to the brow. Next one's going to go above the crease, then in the crease, and the darkest one all the way in the bottom next to the lash line. We're doing all these steps to create the perfect gradient color from the lightest to darkest without stinks. In the center of my eyelid, I'm going to apply the same cream eyeshadow, but white. Я буду использовать те же тени на своем нижнем веке. And I'm going to draw a cat eye on this side with the Inglot 77 gel eyeliner. Although the eyeliner takes some time, but it's definitely worth it. Check this out. Now eye pencils, nude and black. Now I'm gonna coat my eyelashes with mascara and apply some false eyelashes. I'll be honest with you, at this point, instead of putting 5 or 6 coats of mascara, make sure every single lash is separate, go with a needle. Separating them all, it's easier for me to just glue on a fake eyelash and be done with it. Now for my natural eyebrows, I'll be using Brow Pencil by NYX in color Espresso, and for For my dramatic eyebrows, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in color medium brown. My eyebrow pencil shade is more natural, more brownish on a warmer side. That makes the eyebrows more natural. And the shade of a brow pomade is more darker and juicy. For my everyday foundation, I'll be using Matte and Poreless by Maybelline in color 125. And for my chic side, I'll be using MAC Longwear foundation in color NC15. Now you can tell there's definitely more coverage on this side. As for the concealers, for my natural side, I'll apply Maybelline Fit Me in color 20. And for my dramatic side, I'll apply Tarte Shape Tape in color light neutral. And remember, the lighter your concealer shade is, from a foundation shade, the more dramatic it's gonna look later. Concealer by Tarte is much thicker and has more coverage. Check this out. Like, check this two under eyes. I'm gonna set everything on my face with the same setting powder by Charlotte Tilbury in color 1, but different application. On this side, I'm gonna apply fluffy brush, and on this side, I'll apply beauty blender. This step is absolutely necessary, even if you're in a rush, so everything stays in the same place throughout the day. For my natural side, I'll be going with more natural warmer bronzer by Makeup Forever in color Cinnamon. And for dramatic side, I'll be doing a little bit of contour with the Cavin Aucoin Sculpting Powder in color Medium. My highlighter is gonna be today MAC Strobe Cream, very gentle and soft highlighter. And my dramatic one is gonna be by MAC Soft and Gentle. It is not soft and gentle by any means, it's gonna be very poppin'. For my lips, I'll be using the very universal product today by Tarte. Lip gloss for my natural side and lipstick for my dramatic one. So this is what I got. I do like both makeups. What do you guys think? Which one is better? I do like the nude eyeliner on this side. It really opens up and brightens up my eye. But the eyelashes on this side, I want to put them over here. They're so pretty. For my concealer, I definitely like this one much better. My skin look much tighter. But the foundation, I like this one better. First of all, the shade just a little darker. This one is a too light for me, I think. But I like more natural, lighter to medium coverage. I like this one more, the MAC. For my eyebrows, I do like the shape of this brow and product on this brow. For my highlighter, I like both of them. This is so pretty. But I'll have to go with the Strobe Cream. It is so natural and it melts in the skin. This is super helpful. I wish I could flip over certain parts of my face, different directions to match my favorite makeups on one side. I'm gonna have to do my whole face with my favorite products, you guys. Please leave in your comments down below which side or which products do you like better on me. This is so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love you and thank you so much.